Welcome to Purexy, your ultimate guide to a healthy and vibrant life. We're thrilled to have you join our community of health enthusiasts. At Purexy, we believe that health is more than just a goal, it's a way of life, where we explore the latest research, practical tips that will empower you on your wellness journey. Absolutely. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any medical concerns or specific health conditions. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. In today's video, we'll uncover the top nutrients that can skyrocket your muscle growth. Building lean muscle mass requires more than just hitting the gym. It also involves providing your body with the right fuel to optimize your results. Have you ever wondered what specific nutrients can help you achieve maximum muscle growth? So, let's dive in and discover the top 5 nutrients that can help you on your journey to achieving your dream physique. 1. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates play a vital role in muscle growth and are a key fuel source for physical activity and exercise. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients, alongside protein and fats. They are the body's primary source of energy, particularly during intense workouts and strength training sessions. When you consume carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, which is stored in the muscles and liver as glycogen. During exercise, glycogen is converted back into glucose and used as fuel to power your muscles. Carbohydrates provide readily available energy for high-intensity exercises, allowing you to push harder and lift heavier weights during your workouts. By fueling your muscles with carbohydrates, you enhance your performance and create an environment conducive to muscle growth. In addition to providing energy, carbohydrates also have an important role in protein synthesis. When you consume carbohydrates, insulin is released in response. Insulin helps shuttle nutrients, including amino acids from protein, into your muscle cells, promoting muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates, therefore, work synergistically with protein to optimize muscle protein synthesis and support muscle growth. It's important to choose the right types of carbohydrates for muscle growth. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, are rich in fiber and nutrients while providing a slow and steady release of energy. These carbohydrates offer sustained fuel for your workouts and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes during exercise. However, it's also important to consider your carbohydrate intake based on your specific goals and activity levels. Athletes and individuals engaging in intense training may require a higher carbohydrate intake to support their energy needs and muscle growth. Remember, proper nutrition is crucial for muscle growth, and carbohydrates play a vital role in providing energy and supporting muscle protein synthesis. 2. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are a group of 3 essential amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These amino acids are crucial for muscle growth and repair. BCAAs are unique because they are directly metabolized in the muscles, unlike other amino acids that are primarily metabolized in the liver. This means that BCAAs can be quickly utilized by the muscles for energy during exercise, promoting endurance and reducing muscle fatigue. Leucine, in particular, plays a key role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. It activates a specific pathway called the mammalian target of rapamycin (mTOR) pathway, which is responsible for muscle growth and repair. By increasing muscle protein synthesis, leucine helps to promote muscle growth and enhance recovery after intense workouts. Isoleucine and valine also contribute to muscle growth by supporting protein synthesis and providing energy to the muscles during exercise. They work together with leucine to provide a balanced ratio of BCAAs, which optimizes their effects on muscle protein synthesis. Supplementing with BCAAs can be beneficial, especially for individuals engaged in intense resistance training or endurance activities. BCAAs are available in powder or capsule form and can be consumed before, during, or after workouts to support muscle growth, reduce muscle soreness, and enhance recovery. However, it's important to note that while BCAAs can be helpful in specific situations, they should not replace a well-rounded diet rich in complete protein sources. Whole foods like lean meats, dairy products, eggs, and plant-based protein sources provide a complete array of essential amino acids, including BCAAs. In summary, BCAAs play a significant role in muscle growth and recovery. Their ability to stimulate muscle protein synthesis and provide energy to the muscles makes them valuable for individuals looking to optimize their muscle building efforts. 3. Calcium. Calcium is a mineral that is well known for its importance in building strong bones and teeth. However, it also plays a crucial role in muscle growth and contraction. Calcium is essential for proper muscle function and contraction. When a muscle receives a signal from the nervous system to contract, calcium ions are released from specialized storage sites within the muscle cells. These calcium ions bind to proteins, initiating a series of reactions that allow the muscle to contract and generate force. In the context of muscle growth, calcium is involved in muscle protein synthesis. It activates certain enzymes that play a role in protein synthesis, allowing the muscles to repair and rebuild after intense exercise. This is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Additionally, calcium is important for muscle strength and coordination. It helps regulate muscle tone and prevents muscle cramps and spasms, allowing for smooth and efficient muscle movements during workouts. Obtaining sufficient calcium through your diet is essential for overall muscle health and growth. Good food sources of calcium include dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, as well as leafy green vegetables, tofu, and fortified plant-based milk alternatives. It's important to ensure an adequate intake of calcium, especially for individuals engaged in regular physical activity and strength training. However, it's worth noting that calcium alone is not the sole determinant of muscle growth. It works in conjunction with other nutrients like protein, vitamin D, and magnesium, which are also important for optimal muscle health. Finally, calcium is not only crucial for bone health, but also plays a significant role in muscle growth, contraction, and overall muscle function. Ensuring an adequate intake of calcium through a balanced diet is essential for supporting muscle growth and maintaining muscle health. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of essential fats that are widely known for their numerous health benefits. When it comes to muscle growth, omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in supporting overall muscle health and optimizing muscle growth. Omega-3 fatty acids are a group of polyunsaturated fats that are primarily found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in certain plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. These fatty acids are considered essential because our bodies cannot produce them on their own, so we need to obtain them from our diet. One of the main benefits of omega-3 fatty acids for muscle growth is their anti-inflammatory properties. Intense exercise and resistance training can lead to muscle inflammation and damage, and omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce this inflammation, promoting faster recovery and muscle repair. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to enhance muscle protein synthesis, the process by which new muscle proteins are built. They help to optimize the signaling pathways involved in muscle protein synthesis, allowing for more efficient muscle growth and repair. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids can improve muscle strength and performance. They have been shown to enhance muscle function, reduce muscle soreness, and improve overall exercise capacity, allowing individuals to train harder and potentially see greater muscle gains. It's important to note that omega-3 fatty acids are just one component of a well-rounded diet and should not be relied upon as the sole factor for muscle growth. A balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and other essential nutrients is crucial for overall muscle development. In summary, omega-3 fatty acids play a vital role in supporting muscle growth and optimizing muscle health. Their anti-inflammatory properties, ability to enhance muscle protein synthesis, and potential to improve muscle strength and performance make them valuable for individuals looking to maximize their muscle growth potential. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods or considering omega-3 supplements can be beneficial, especially for those engaged in regular exercise and strength training. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that is widely recognized for its role in supporting immune health. However, it also plays a significant role in muscle growth and recovery. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that forms the structure of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen is crucial for maintaining the integrity and strength of connective tissues, which are essential for supporting muscle growth and preventing injuries. Furthermore, vitamin C plays a role in enhancing the absorption and utilization of iron, a mineral that is necessary for the transport of oxygen to muscles during exercise. Sufficient oxygen delivery to muscles is crucial for optimal muscle performance and growth. In addition to its structural and oxygen-related functions, vitamin C is also involved in the production of carnitine, a compound that plays a key role in energy metabolism. Carnitine helps transport fatty acids into the mitochondria of muscle cells, where they are used as a source of energy during exercise. Moreover, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscles from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals generated during intense physical activity. This antioxidant activity helps to reduce muscle inflammation and promote faster recovery after workouts, supporting overall muscle growth and repair. It's important to note that while vitamin C is important for muscle growth, it should be obtained through a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables. Good food sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, bell peppers, and leafy green vegetables. In summary, vitamin C plays a crucial role in muscle growth and recovery by supporting collagen synthesis, aiding in iron absorption, contributing to energy metabolism, and acting as an antioxidant. Including vitamin C-rich foods in your diet can help optimize muscle growth and performance. In conclusion, optimizing your muscle growth requires paying attention to key nutrients that support your body's needs. Protein, creatine, BCAAs, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, magnesium, and zinc are among the top nutrients that can skyrocket your muscle growth. Remember to prioritize a well-balanced diet, including a variety of nutrient-dense foods, and consider appropriate supplementation when necessary. Combine these nutritional strategies with a consistent workout routine, rest, and recovery, and watch your muscles thrive. Keep pushing yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care and stay healthy.